This is the 45 CBF. 45 CBF. All right, now, I don't see a price on this, but I can tell you it's not cheap. That much I can tell you. Let's see if there's one on the windshield. No. So this is built on a Freightliner chassis, again, a Super C. You see a lot of these going down the road. A lot of the people in the motor industry use these, meaning cars. Several steps up, and then once you're in, you're in. So here's your cockpit up front. Super, super comfortable. All right. Above the cockpit, there's a bed. It's got its own curtain, got an emergency hatch up there. All right. It's got a little shelf. Nice kitchen, induction cooking. Single basin sink. Love the LEDs that you can change. See the color rolling, make it whatever color you want. Nice Samsung microwave, side-by-side refrigerator at the top, and pull out on the bottom. Look at the cabinetry. Work is great, guys. Nice. Then over here, you've got sort of a dinette with nice padded chairs, trays that come out. Power. Yep, cup holders. Yeah. So if you're driving down the road and sitting in there, I'm assuming there's also seat belts that are just tucked away.
Oh, I'm assuming, yeah.
Yep, cabinetry all above. They've engraved their name, laser cut it in there. Love it.
Right.
Love those hinges. Look at those hinges, man.
Yeah, me too.
Wow. Then, let's see, this is slatted, so I'm gonna go washer dryer. Yep.
You saw the TV, right?
Oh yeah, TV's above the door, I'm so sorry. Which is right across from the sofa. So it's a great location, okay? And is that a single basin?
It is.
Those are heavy.
Yeah, that is very heavy.
Okay, so let's go to the back. So again, your washer dryer's right there. You do have, looks to be your pantry here. These pull out, so the pantry is close to the kitchen, which is great. Then we walk into the back. You've got bunks here, which each have their own TV, and they each have their own enclosures. See, there you go, which is nice. Then over here is, you got a full mirror, but you also have a bathroom. I got my backpack on. I'm not going to be able to sit there, but I'm telling you that it's tall and fluffy as food. Okay. Also, look at the height in there. You'll have no problems with height. But look at this too. The surround, solid surface. That is one of the more prettier showers we've seen outside of like some of the Tiffins. Not the Tiffins. The other. What was the?
Prevo?
No, we were in the like that $900,000 one. I don't remember. It's just kind of all gone together, guys.
Lisa T says she'd have to win the lottery for this. Patricia says looks good.
This actually looks like a residential king. That is amazing. I don't think we've seen a residential king yet. If not, it's pretty close.
And Mr. Trench Trucker says, OMG, finally, Rob.
Yeah, we've had some tech problems this morning. We apologize. We're not sure what happened, but you know, we're clear now.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to stay away from the redwoods, I guess.
I guess we can't go see Matt. We were gonna go talk to him, but I guess not. So solid surface too. Again, I love the lighting they put in there. Lots of detail. Oh, and you got another shower back here. So this is a full 2-bath.
Oh, is it?
Look at that, y'all. I had no idea.
I didn't know that either.
Right.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. That is now foot flush. Press the button.
So 2 full baths. You've got your master.
1, 2,
you've got 2
3,
bunks.
4,
Plus you've got the
5,
bed.
6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. I think you could sleep 10 in here. Yeah, awesome. Let's see. 7. Here, hold this for a second, Lisa. Trying to get an idea of where we're at. There you go. Can you all see?
Oops, that's a little too close. There
you
we
go. So you get an idea of what a fully macked out, top of the line Super C costs. Okay.